Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add Celsius in Instagram. First, open the Instagram application on your phone. Next, tap the plus icon, usually found at the bottom center, to begin creating a new post or story. Then, choose the photo or video you wish to share from your device's gallery. This initial step sets the stage for customizing your content with temperature information. We will guide you through the process smoothly. Once you have selected your media, look for the sticker icon at the top of your screen and tap it. A menu of various stickers will appear. Scroll through these options until you find the temperature sticker and select it. Initially, this sticker will likely show the temperature in Fahrenheit, which is the default setting for many users. Don't worry, changing it to Celsius is very straightforward. To change the temperature display from Fahrenheit to Celsius, simply tap the temperature sticker directly on your post or story. Each tap will toggle the unit between Fahrenheit and Celsius, allowing you to easily select your preferred measurement. Once you have the temperature in Celsius, you can drag the sticker to any position and pinch to resize it. This ensures it fits perfectly with your content before you share it. Before finalizing, double-check that the temperature sticker clearly shows the Celsius reading you intended. Feel free to add any other creative elements like text, filters, or additional effects to enhance your post or story. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Finally, tap the Your Story or Send to button to share your perfectly customized content with your friends and followers. Enjoy sharing your moments with accurate temperature details.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.